Hey, good morning. How's it going? I'm on the wrong map. Welcome to Coffee and a Forecast. It is, what is today? It's Wednesday, November 7th. Good morning. Salud. Oh, there's nothing in there. It's time for a second cup coming up here in a second. All right, let's start with the numbers from yesterday. And the heat still on 90. Yesterday's high, only three short of the record of 93, and pretty much what we expected. It was a hot day. But again, not a record, but well above the average of 77. That's 13 degrees above average. And as much as we're above average today, we're going to be even more below average by, say, Sunday and Monday. Wow. 52 is our low, pretty close to the average of 50. So quite a swing in temperatures there. That's almost a 40-degree swing from low to high. And it really didn't get hot until the afternoon. It was still pleasant even by noon. All right, today's forecast, not quite as hot, and we'll show you why here in a second. 88 with sunshine. Some high clouds starting to filter in by this afternoon, and some sunset enhancement perhaps tonight, perhaps. 58 for a low by tomorrow morning. Some high clouds throughout the day on Thursday, and the winds may be picking up a little bit. 84 for a high. And then we'll bring in our chance of showers Thursday night, just a slight chance, 58. Friday, slight chance, mostly cloudy skies, 74. It will be breezy on Friday, maybe even windy in some areas. And the breezes continue Friday night into Saturday, with best chance of rain looks like Friday night, maybe into Saturday morning. Saturday's high, 60. That's pretty close to these lows. Sunday's high, 58, which is what we're supposed to start out tomorrow morning. But Sunday will be sunny and 58, and then we'll start warming up. Monday looks like 76 or so, or 72, and then Tuesday 76. So a slow warming trend next week with sunshine. But this will be a fun little system moving through, maybe even some mountain snow. The big question right now is how much moisture will we have with it, and we don't know that yet. So we'll find out when it gets here. Excuse me. Could see a couple inches to maybe half a foot of snow above 6,000 feet with this system, especially north of Tucson. Casa Grande right now at 55. It's 42 for the Bisbee Douglas Airport, 46 for the Nogales Airport right now, and 45 in Safford. Zooming in, we got the 56 here in Benson. Here's a 51 in Saurita. Is that Saurita? Almost, maybe. Close to Saurita. We can't get the rest of the map. Come on, man. 55 near the airport. We'll zoom in again, see if that map comes together. Thank you so much. Here's a 48 near Sabino Canyon. A little chilly. 62 here near the apartment, the warm spot in Oro Valley. All right, let's get the ad out of there. All right, here's the pattern and the pattern change. So here's Oregon and Washington. Here's Arizona, and here's the high pressure. And you see, yesterday was centered over here. Now it's moving to the east and flattening a little bit, or weakening, I guess, as you could say. So still another hot day under the high pressure, but not quite as hot as yesterday. And then we're going to make the transition to this trough moving into the west, and much cooler, unsettled weather for much of the west. And that includes us. So we're just waiting for this pattern change to get here and that cold front to move through. And chance of showers too. Forecast today, again, kind of quiet over much of the west, although the new system starting to make itself felt across Oregon and Washington and British Columbia with rain and mountain snow, especially for Washington and British Columbia. And then high pressure across the center part of the country. And then on the east coast, yeah, another nor'easter forming off the coast, and looks like snow, heavy snow possible for places like Philadelphia, maybe down into Washington, D.C., rain and snow line right about Washington, D.C. So you get towards the coast from there, and it's mostly rain with some snow mixed in. You get east of there, and it's heavy snow coming down, and of course some wind and a little bit more beach erosion. Just not good news if you're trying to clean up from Superstorm Sandy. It's a nor'easter, so it's the second one of the season, I should say. Superstorm Sandy was a nor'easter too, but this is the second one of the season, and we're off to a roaring start on the East Coast. Meanwhile, for us, winds of change heading our way here pretty soon. Not today, though. Sunshine, 88. Few high clouds tonight, 58. A little cooler tomorrow, breezy, 84. And then a chance of showers coming in by Thursday night into Friday, and maybe even into Saturday morning. And here's where we'll have some wind as the transition happens. So 74 on Friday, 60 on Saturday, 58 on Veterans Day Sunday, and then we start a slow warming trend next week. Thanks for tuning in, Coffee and a Forecast. Do appreciate it. TucsonWeather.us for your free forecast every morning on Facebook and Google Plus too. Have a fantastic, wonderful Wednesday.